Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to dig up, divide, and move some blue fescue grass. So let's go. I'm currently in the west side of my house, and this is basically a semicircle type of flower bed. What I want to do is remove all the blue fescue. And the main reason is right behind the blue fescue, I have Stella d'Oro daylilies. And I personally feel that they're competing with each other. I think it's too much grassy texture. So I'm going to be removing all of this blue fescue. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and divide it. And I'm going to show you what this bed looks like in the end after all that work is done. One thing I want to point out is in this bed, I have two different types of blue fescue grass. And when I planted them, I didn't realize they were two different kinds, but you can clearly see they are. They both are beautiful in their own way. First thing to do is we're going to dig up this large blue fescue plant. This plant is probably 4 or 5 years old, so it's pretty big. All right, let's go ahead and get this divided. What's nice is it doesn't have a very extensive root system. And to divide it, you really can't pull it apart. It's just not possible. So you could use a shovel, but because it's such a established plant this time of year, I'm going to use this type of tool for cutting. And I'm just going to go right down in the middle. And then I want to see if I can tug it. Not quite yet. There, now I have two pieces. There will be some pieces that I can pull out of here that don't have a root to them, but overall, it cut pretty easily. Now what I can do is just plant them in my landscape like this. They might even look nice in a pot. Isn't that easy? From one plant to two. All done. I ended up with so many plants, and you can see in this area that it actually looks nice now. We're not competing with the grassy texture of the daylilies with the grassy texture of the blue fescue. And now all I need to do in here is just weed this bed. And next spring, I plan on moving the aster as well as the yellow mums towards the front more, because these are just going to keep on growing, and now they're encroaching over some of the other plants in front of them. But for this year, this project of getting out these blue fescue is done. So I am good with that. I hope you're doing well in your gardens. If you have any questions on blue fescue, please ask below in the comment section. Until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.